I've walked through quiet streets alone, felt the chill of hearts turned to stone. But then your voice, it broke the night, lit the dark with a gentle light. Every word, every sigh feels like music when you're nearby. Is it soft like falling rain, or a fire that heals the pain? Every heartbeat, every glance your touch, it plays a melody.